Hi, welcome back to the series of Life as It Is, episode 3. Please bear with my tired face because I had my convocation yesterday and I have been traveling from last week, and today again I have to travel back to my home. I'm very tired, so please bear with this. This episode is gonna be about the life which we have in front of us and the life which we have here, which is in our mind. The idea of it versus it. Personally, I think a lot of growing up comes from learning to make peace with the distance between the two versions of your life. The idea of it and it, which is the real, which is in front of you. To make it more simpler, whatever you imagine, whatever you see is here, and it is beautiful. Always, a lot of times. And what you have in front of you could not be the same which you imagined here. And it happens a lot of times with us, like with everyone. You thought certain people would be around. You thought some dreams would happen faster. You thought certain people would be there for you no matter what. You thought you would become a different version of yourself by now. And then there is reality. Life as it is. Messy, unfinished, a little late according to your plans, a little early to your fears, and somehow completely different from what you imagined. I think surprising amount of suffering comes from fighting with reality. Everybody out here is trying to fight with life. But the more you go with the flow, the more you are at peace with your existence. It's like जो हो रहा है होने दो, जैसे चीजें आ रही हैं तुम्हारे पास आने दो. Maybe certain things have certain way of coming towards you, and if it is meant for you, it will come to you no matter what. And I was thinking about this thought yesterday only. So I had my convocation yesterday and I was thinking कि अगर मेरा यहीं आना लिखा हुआ था, मेरी किस्मत में यहीं आना था. I even dropped out of the college in my second semester and I came back. I never wanted to stay in the city, yet here I am from past 4 years. I completed my graduation and still I am here. Maybe this is what is written in my fate, at least for a particular period of time. मुझे अगर यहीं रहना है तो मुझे यहीं ही रहना है. I cannot fight with certain things. If I keep fighting with things, I would just become mentally unstable. Because what is in front of me and what I have here are two different things. They cannot be at the same page. They are different chapters. In fact, they are different books. I cannot fight on different things. Fight is only fair when two things are at the same level. So you are fighting with the things which are not even at the same level. So how could you make one possible outcome from that? जब चीज़ें ही डिफरेंट हैं, जब क्वांटिटी डिफरेंट है, क्वालिटी डिफरेंट है, सब चीज़ें ही डिफरेंट हैं, देन हम उनका कंपैरिजन भी तो नहीं कर सकते ना. वी आर कॉन्स्टेंटली कंपेयरिंग वॉट इट इज टू वॉट इट कुड हैव बीन. And I'm personally a part of this because a lot of times I think if I could have not met certain people, my life would have been different. If I could have done different things, the outcome would have been different. सारे ही एक ही हम यही सोचते हैं कि ऐसा करते तो ऐसा हो जाता, ऐसा ना करते तो ऐसा हो जाता. But we are always fighting. And in this comparison which you have in your mind, like the imagination and the reality will always lose. Reality हमेशा हारेगी क्योंकि reality वो है ही नहीं जो यहाँ पे है. We think it is reality, but it is not. It is imagination, or let's say it is something we want. And I'm not saying that you cannot be delusional. In fact, you should be delusional. But there is a very, very, very thin line between delusion and imagination. Certain thoughts, certain situations could blur that line, and you cannot figure out. Reality is ordinary. Imagination is perfect. However you want it, however you want to see people, see things, however you want things can happen the exact way here. But reality is ordinary and it will be different. I'm not saying that if you have a certain goal, तुम्हें IAS बनना है, and you want to go from path A, which is your imagination, but life has path B written for you. You will get to your end goal, but the path is different. So why do we need to fight? Life is not meant to compete with your imagination. It is meant to be at peace with your imagination. And in my opinion, I think peace doesn't arrive when life perfectly matches your imagination. In fact, it arrives when you stop asking life to be exactly like your imagination. Everything has their own nature, everything has their own thing. जब life और imagination दो चीजें हैं, imagine these two as two different people. You cannot ask imagination to be like life, and you cannot ask life to be like imagination. They have their own nature. जैसे कोई मेरे जैसा नहीं बन सकता और मैं उनके जैसा नहीं बन सकती. Just like हम दोनों two different people हैं और हमारी different USPs हैं. That's what make us unique. Growing up, I have realized this one thing. We are constantly planning. We are either in the past or in the future. But I think the synonym of life is present. We think life would be better in the future. We think life was much better in the past. I personally think कि मेरे school years बहुत बढ़िया थे. Now that I have graduated, I think कि मेरे college years बहुत बढ़िया थे. Most of the times मैं या तो अपने past में हूँ या तो मैं future में हूँ कि जब मैं सिटी चेंज कर लूंगी, जब मैं अपनी आगे स्टडी कर लूंगी, या जब मैं कंट्री चेंज कर लूंगी, जब मैं ये कर लूंगी, मैं वो कर लूंगी, लाइफ बेटर हो जाएगी. बट लाइफ अभी है. लाइफ इज प्रेजेंट. It's happening here. It's happening now, in this moment in which I am recording. You are listening. सब कुछ चल रहा है जिस moment पे. It is happening in this version, this uncertain version, जहाँ पे कुछ भी हो सकता है. Maybe मेरे को आज कैफे जाना था, but somehow I'm going to my hometown. It's happening now. It's happening in this version, in this unfinished version. Life is what is happening right now in front of us, in which we are living. It's neither in the past nor in the future. It's now. It's right now, in this moment. The version you keep calling temporary. Because one day you'll look back and you would realize that this wasn't the waiting room. This is life as it is. ना पास्ट में रह के कुछ मिलना है, ना फ्यूचर में जाके कुछ मिलेगा. पास्ट तो बीत गया. फ्यूचर जो होगा होगा. आज अभी जो काम करना पहले वो तो कर लें. मुझे आज वीडियो रिकॉर्ड करनी थी, पहले मैं वो तो कर लूं. मैं बाद में सोचूंगी कि मेरे कितने सब्सक्राइबर्स हुए, मेरे कितनी रीच गई, मेरे कितने व्यूज आए, मेरे को क्या ब्रांड कोलैब्स आए, क्या मेरा नाम बन गया. आज तो कर लूं, मैं पहले वीडियो तो बना लूं. यही नहीं करूंगी तो मैं बाद का क्या ही सोच सकती हूँ उस पर. एंड ठीक है, जो भी अपना आइडिया ऑफ इट होता है वो बहुत सुंदर होता है. एंड मैं बहुत ज्यादा आइडिया ऑफ इट में रहती हूँ. कोई पर्टिकुलर पर्सन, दिस सर्टेन समवन इज वे मोर परफेक्ट इन माई हेड देन दे आर इन रियलिटी. एंड दैट्स ओके. आई एम नॉट फाइटिंग विद इट. जो है सो है. आई एम चिलिंग आउट. इफ आई लव देम, आई लव देम एट एनी कॉस्ट. आई डोंट गिव अ शिट अबाउट हाउ दे कम अप इन रियल. It's just as simple as that. I'm not gonna let another person disrespect me. I'm not gonna let any other person tell me this is what you need to do. I'm gonna do what I want to do. You can be happy with the idea of it, but you also need to catch up with the reality that if certain someone who is not good for you, you need to cut off and you can still love them. Love is not something you can ask. It is what you can give. This is one of my very favorite quotes, and it goes like, being loved is the last illusion. Give up and you will be free. Most of us struggle with the same thing only. Everybody wants validation. Everybody wants love. Everybody wants to be loved. Everybody wants certain things. But leave it and see it coming towards you. You need to love. Stop asking for love. Start giving love and you'll see that it's coming back to you in much more bigger ways. And I have seen this thing. This is how it goes. Life as it is. I hope you like this and you feel a little bit connected with it, and I add some value to your thought process. So that's all for this. See you in next episode. Thank you.